Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add and display contact info on Instagram bio. First, you're going to need to go into Instagram and you're going to need to change your personal Instagram account to either a professional account or a business account. That's quite straightforward and easy to do. I'll leave a link in the description of a video that I've done that will show you the steps to do that. After you have changed your account to a business or professional account, as you can see right here, I have my contact info on display. If I should tap on contact, you will see the option pop up to either call or email. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. First, you'll need to tap on edit profile. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on contact options. And here you'll see the option to add your email address, business phone number, and also WhatsApp business phone number. After you have added those, you'll simply tap on done in the top right hand corner. And once you have done that, you're going to go back to this page and you'll simply scroll down and you're going to tap on profile display, and here you want to ensure that display contact info is turned on. As you can see right here, when it is turned on, you will get the example like what you see right here. If it was turned off, the account would look just like a basic Instagram account. So you want to ensure that display contact info is turned on, and you'll tap on done in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on done again. And that's it. That's how to add and display contact info on Instagram, or how to make contact info visible on Instagram bio. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.